Hey sweeties, I'm Demetra from Sweet Savant. Thanks Ninja for sending me this new Ninja Foodi Grill XL with 50% more capacity than the original Ninja Foodi Grill. Let's take a look inside. On the top here we have the cooking element. It's covered by a screen to help keep it clean. We've got our 9 by 12 inch high density grill grate, and it sits inside this cooking pot. And then we can also put in the 4-quart crisper basket that fits right in there. And that's 7.5 inches by 13 inches and about 3 inches deep. It also comes with this grill brush to keep your grill nice and clean. And hidden here on the side is a temperature probe. Now with this probe, you don't have to keep opening the grill and checking your food to see if it's done. Nope, you put this probe into your food, you plug it in here on the side, and it cooks with the probe inside. And when your food reaches the proper cooking temperature that you've set, it beeps, lets you know it's done. Now overall the unit is about 12 inches high by 15 inches wide and 15 inches deep. Make sure you keep it away from the wall because it has a steam vent in the back. And when you use your temperature probe, the unit has presets so that you can cook your beef, chicken, fish, or pork to the proper internal cooking temperature. You can set it for medium rare, medium well done, whatever you like. And when your food reaches the right temperature, it beeps and lets you know it's ready. One problem that I've had with most of the air fryers, grills, whatever you use, is that it's too small to cook for the whole family. Not this. Look at this. I have 6 whole chicken leg thigh quarters cooking here in this Ninja Foodi Grill. I'm cooking this in that cooking pot, that base unit. You can cook right in there. Look at that. My goodness. And listen to the crisp. Listen. That's like chicken cracklings right there. Perfect crispy skin. And you know what I'm going to do with all those juices? That's right. I'm going to cook some vegetables. I steamed these in the microwave beforehand, and now toss them around in those juices left over from cooking the chicken. Roast them up, and oh my goodness, look at the color. Look at the color on those vegetables bubbling there in those juices. Beautiful. Now I'm going to cook some salmon. So you see I'll set it to the fish preset, and I will use that temperature probe. You adjust it. I'm going to cook it to medium. So you set it to medium and press start. It'll preheat. Get those grill grates nice and hot. And it'll tell you add food when it's ready. Now listen to the sizzle. Ooh, can I get a thumbs up for the sizzle, y'all? Oh my goodness. Yeah. That sounds amazing. And watch how much fish we can fit on this grill grate. That's more than enough for the whole family. Got that temperature probe in there. Close the unit down and it'll beep when it reaches the proper temperature. And you'll see there, it beeps to tell us to turn it. We're not going to flip this because it's so delicate. We don't even need to flip it, but we're going to brush our glaze on. This is honey, butter, garlic, and a little soy sauce. We'll brush that onto the glaze. It is not quite finished cooking yet. We'll close that grill down and let it finish cooking. Oh man, I mean, look at this. So it's done now. Look at the color. Look at the color on that salmon, my goodness. That is beautiful. And you see what I mean by so delicate? You really got to be careful with it. You don't want to have to flip it during cooking because it can break apart, but look at this. And we're just going to add it to a lovely salad that we make. Look, it cooks well on both sides. But listen to this, y'all. We even got crispy skin on that salmon. And we'll add our salmon to this beautiful salad. Well, we got some boiled eggs, some green beans lightly cooked, lettuce, potato, cherry tomatoes. That's a perfect salad for company if you're having guests over, if that's ever a thing again. Look at that, beautiful. So you like steak? Yes, we're going to do steak now. We got 3 nice and wide ribeye steaks. We're going to cook it with the temperature probe in there so it cooks to the proper temperature. And you know, however you like it. Do you like it medium? Do you like it medium well, medium rare, whatever? Well done. Look, I'm not here to judge. Do it as you like. And you take it off. We're going to let those steaks rest. And while they're resting, look at, we got some vegetables that we're going to put, the grill is still hot, right? Put those vegetables, some zucchinis, yellow squash, red onion, scallion, toss it with salt, pepper, paprika, maybe a little fresh thyme. Grill it right up in there. Oh, so beautiful. Complete dinner on the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Enough for the whole family and more. Since the kids have been home from college, we've all been cooking up a storm, and thank goodness the Ninja Foodi Grill XL has such a huge capacity that we can fit enough food for everybody. Now we're making delicious onion wrapped, cheese stuffed burgers. Burgers are in, temperature probe, and we don't even have to flip them. Let's cut into it, see what that burger looks like. Oh man, so juicy, gooey cheese. And you don't think I forgot dessert, did you? Look at this crostada made with fresh summer fruit. We're gonna put that into that air grill basket so that the heat can circulate all around. Get that crust nice and golden. Look how pretty. And we cook it on some foil to make it easy to take in and out of the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Delicious. So how y'all like those burgers?
It's good. It's good. Yeah. Came out really good.
And we had 2 left over. More than enough made in that Ninja Foodi Grill XL. We've made grilled salmon, roast chicken, and we even baked a crostada for dessert. Now this air crisp basket is a little bit narrow for me, so I did a little bit of a hack with a rack that I just happen to have in my kitchen and fit perfectly inside the cooking pot of the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Look at all this chicken I air fried. Ooh. And how does that new Ninja Foodi Grill XL compare to the original Ninja Foodi? Well, I'm going to tell you all about it in an upcoming video. We'll compare them head to head, side by side, and we will see how they stack up. Should you get the Ninja Foodi XL or the original Ninja Foodi Grill? We'll talk about it. Please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day.